Hey guys, what's up? Today we will create a new X Beyblade called Dragoon GT Beyblade from cardboard, which is actually going to be based on Beyblade X system, but it's fan-made, not like Dranzer Spiral X Beyblade. Hope we will get to see a Beyblade X version of Dragoon. We are almost done with the layer. Sinan is now shaping the Beyblade layer using a soldering iron. For making cardboard Beyblades, Sinan mostly uses ice cream boxes, which you can collect from local shops where ice cream is sold. You can collect empty ice cream boxes from there. Now, for better accuracy, Sinan is adding a 3D shape for a better look. Next, for the ratchet, cut approximately 4 to 5 cardboard pieces matching the shape of the 460 ratchet. 460 ratchet is better for Beyblade with 4 contact points. Finally, attach the small circular cardboard pieces with glue and attach the ratchet to the layer using hot glue. If you want to enhance the look, you can add colors around the Beyblade, though it's optional. You can also check out our other Beyblade X Beys making videos in our Beyblade X Craft YT playlist. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. However, this video would be worth it for both of us if you just hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon down below.